Is your 2011-2017 Jaguar XJ key fob not working reliably? The most common culprit is a dead CR2032 battery. This video shows you how to easily and affordably replace it yourself, saving you time and money compared to dealership service. We'll cover everything you need to know for a successful DIY battery replacement. This method applies specifically to the 2011 to 2017 Jaguar XJ X351 key fobs. The Jaguar XJ key fob from 2011 to 2017 requires a CR2032 battery. This is a standard 3-volt lithium coin cell, measuring 20 millimeters in diameter and 3.2 millimeters thick. Here you can see the CR2032 battery and its technical specifications. These batteries are widely available at drugstores, supermarkets, and online retailers like Amazon and eBay. Generic brands like Duracell or Energizer work just as well as OEM batteries. Expect to pay between $2 and $5 for a replacement. Ensure it is a CR2032 and not a similar-looking battery. You only need a few basic tools for this project: a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool. A guitar pick can also work to gently open the key fob casing. A soft cloth can help prevent scratches. No specialized tools are required, making this a truly DIY-friendly task. Make sure your work surface is clean and well lit. First, locate the small seam or indentation on the key fob. This is usually visible as a slight gap or groove around the edges. Some fobs include a metal key blade, which should be removed first to avoid scratches during opening. Prepare your flathead screwdriver or pry tool. Insert the flathead screwdriver or pry tool into the seam and gently twist to separate the two halves of the fob. Be careful not to apply excessive force, as this could damage the plastic clips holding the fob together. Work slowly and methodically. Once the fob is open, carefully remove the old CR2032 battery. Note the battery's polarity. The positive plus side should be facing up. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive plus side is also facing up. Misalignment can cause intermittent function. Some fobs have rubber seals that need to be reseated to maintain waterproofing. Align the two halves of the key fob casing and gently snap them back together. Ensure all the clips are securely fastened. Test the fob by pressing the buttons near your vehicle to confirm it unlocks and locks the doors. If the fob doesn't work, double-check the battery polarity and that the battery contacts are clean and properly aligned. A common issue with older Jaguar XJ key fobs is corroded battery contacts. This happens over time due to moisture or battery leakage. To fix this, clean the contacts gently with isopropyl alcohol using a cotton swab. This removes corrosion and restores proper electrical contact. During battery replacement, be careful to avoid short-circuiting. Handle the battery by its edges and ensure it's properly aligned in the contacts. If the key fob still doesn't work after battery replacement, it may require professional reprogramming using an OBD2 tool. This syncs the fob with the vehicle's computer and is rare, but possible for older fobs. While newer Jaguar models are shifting towards app-integrated and rechargeable key systems, the 2011-2017 XJ relies on the trusty CR2032. Replacing it yourself is a simple and cost-effective way to keep your key fob working. With online tutorials and readily available parts, DIY maintenance remains a viable option for older vehicles. If issues persist, consult a professional.